In this lesson, we'll be talking about the differences between the product manager, product owner, and the Scrum Master. In tech teams, these three roles are often confused. Today, we will clearly break down what a product manager, product owner, and Scrum Master do, so you understand where each role fits and why all three are important. So by the end of this lesson, you will confidently explain the difference between these roles and understand how they collaborate to build successful products. So why are these roles often confused? These roles are often confused because they all work in agile teams. They all support product development. Their titles vary across companies, and sometimes their responsibilities overlap. These roles are also confused because companies use these roles differently. But at their core, each role has a clear focus, and that's what we'll clarify today. Who is a product manager? A product manager owns the product vision and strategy. The product manager focuses on user needs and business goals, decides what to build and why, and works with stakeholders and leadership. The product manager is responsible for the big picture. They define the product vision, prioritize problems, and ensure the product delivers value to users and the business. So who is the product owner? The product owner owns the product backlog, translates vision into clear tasks, prioritizes user stories, and works closely with the development team. The product owner focuses on execution. They make sure the team always work on the most valuable task and that requirements are clear and actionable. Why the Scrum Master facilitates the Scrum process? He removes team blockers, coaches the team on agile practices, and protects the team's workflow. The Scrum Master does not decide what to build. Instead, they ensure the team works effectively, follows agile principles, and continuously improve. Now, let's look at the differences between the product manager, the product owner, and the Scrum Master. So the product manager focuses on the product strategy and vision. The, the key question they ask is, what should we build and why should we build? While the product owner main focus is on the backlog and execution. The key question they ask is, what should we work on next? Why the Scrum Master focus, focuses on the process and team health. They often ask, how can the team work better? But how do they work together? The product manager defines the vision and goals of the product, while the product owner breaks goals into tasks and priorities. And then the Scrum Master ensures the smooth execution of the product development. And together, they deliver value consistently. Those roles are partners and not competitors. When aligned, they help teams build better products faster and with less friction. So here are the key takeaways. The product manager is mainly concerned with the product vision and strategy, while the product owner main focus is on the product backlog and delivery. And the Scrum Master is responsible for the process and team support. All roles are essential in agile teams. Remember, different roles, different focus, but one shared goal: building successful products.